guys, in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the RS3M 2020. Alright, let's just hop right into the cube. Alright, onto this box. It's a kind of cardboard texture box. It's actually fairly small. I'm kind of used to seeing those big boxes, the GAN boxes. So you open it up from the side right here. Let's pop it open. Looks like this, more plastic wrap around the cube. Some accessories that come with that cube are this really nice blue cube stand. I actually love this color. Looks a bit like my logo color. And there is an accessories box. So to get that out, it looks like I'm about to open this up from the bottom. There we go. And let's take a look inside here. And let's go ahead and just take a look inside this accessory box. What do we have in here? We have the box pamphlet of how to open up the box, it looks like, and how to use your tensioning system. I already know how to use a tensioning system though. We have Livia Kleiner, and I don't know who this is, but okay. And then right here we have a pamphlet of, I'm guessing, how to solve the cube. Opening this up. Yes, that's how to solve the cube. We already know how to do that. Let's throw off to the side for now. Also inside here, we have the tensioning tools and a nice blue screwdriver. I do actually have a nice red one already from my RS3M, but a blue one actually looks really nice as well. Before we get into the review of the cube itself, let's go over some basic information. The cube itself weighs 86 grams. It is a standard 56 by 56 millimeters, as most current 3x3s are. It was made by Moyu, and it was for sale on June 15th of 2020. You can buy it for $8.99 on thecubicle.com, and even cheaper if you use the code HumbleCuber at checkout. You can get it in either stickerless or black. Alright, so this is kind of a matted finish, it seems like. At least mine is. I still need to use some solves on it. Fairly loose tensions out of the box. Let's do some first turns. Oh, this is actually pretty good right out of the box. It is a bit loose currently, but I can always tighten it. Looks like there's a little bit of factory lube actually on the inside right there. You guys can probably see that. Get the shades really quick. Pretty nice and distinct from one another. That is some really bright orange though. I'm gonna go ahead and compare it to the RS3M shades really quick. Alright, comparing the two, they actually look fairly similar. Actually, it's a bit bright on RS3M, it looks like. This definitely has a matte finish, at least compared to a RS3M that has obviously glossy finish. The turning style kind of reminds me of that of RS3M. It is super fast right out of the box though. Actually, for me, it might be a bit uncontrollable, which is surprising for me because I actually like my cubes to be super fast. I don't know how I feel about this cube yet. I'm just have to do some more solves on it. Let's check corner cutting. Out of the box, some pretty good corner cutting, over 45. Let's try 50. 50 with a little bit of struggle. 55. Right about 55 is where it can't corner cut anymore. Let's go ahead and try reverse. Not horrible. Alright, let's take a look at the tensioning system on the inside of this cube, and let's just go ahead and compare it to that of a RS3M. I'm guessing, because it's the same brand, that they will have the exact same tensioning system here. Yes, they have that spring elasticity adjustment, as well as the screw inside there, as you can see. This is actually what you use this tool for that it came with. Put it inside those two little sockets right there. And then you actually will turn it to adjust the tensions on each of the cube. Let's just go ahead and put the center caps back on there really quick. Alright, let's put the RS3M off to the side right now. It looks like there's kind of the same center. So it's an interesting center design. There are those little pieces that jut out on the sides of the center. So I actually kind of like those. I have it on RS3M as well. The cube itself is quite uncontrollable. I can do a M3 actually. I'm gonna actually try to spam some algorithms on here really quick. Oh, I can't even do an H-perm. The magnets are a bit light for my taste currently, but I believe that's why the cubicle.com actually does sell the extra magnetic kit you can actually put in there. So I believe that should help out with that issue a little bit. I will look into actually getting one of those, because yes, this is actually some insanely loose magnets. I can also barely do a H-perm. There we go. I had a bit of lockups here. So this cube does have a little bit of lockups, but corner cutting out of the box is actually pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tension up this cube, and I'll just show some footage of a little bit of solves. I'll also do a voiceover of my final thoughts on this cube after some setup and what I really think about it. Alright, now I'm onto the overview of the cube itself. It has a very light and crispy feel to it, although I did experience some minor lockups, as you can see in some of the algorithms. I got fairly good times on it. I got a 13 average, which is about average for me. It could have been a bit better though. I did have some lockups on a certain algorithm. The corner cutting of the cube though is great during these solves. I didn't have to align all the layers perfectly. It was actually really good, and I might make it my new main. I'm not quite sure yet though. I still do have to decide between the RS3M 2020 and the GTS3M. So that's definitely going to be a hard decision. I like both the cubes a lot, but the RS3M has a great feel to it. It's also a great weight. It's pretty light. It has great shades, awesome turning, corner cutting on it's amazing. Well, that wraps it up for this review. The rest of the solves and the average will still be playing on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.